Treat others as you wish to be treated. Those who flatter a person become their enemies, while those who point out faults help shape them. Acting wisely tends to lead to positive outcomes, while behaving foolishly invites adversity. The pace of progress matters less than the determination to persevere. True glory lies not in avoiding falls, but in rising every time you stumble. Both the optimist who believes he can and the pessimist who believes he can't may be correct. Time, words, and opportunities, once gone, do not return. Hence, use time wisely, choose words carefully, and seize opportunities. Reflect on the consequences when anger arises and earn respect by respecting yourself. The person moving a mountain starts by removing small stones. Distrusting friends is more shameful than being deceived by them. If you find yourself the smartest person in the room, it's time to find a new room. Greatness comes from attending to one's greater self, while neglect leads to smallness. Like a fine sword in salt water, even the best can rust over time. Focus on your own shortcomings before complaining about others. Forget injuries but remember kindness. Project strength when you're weak and weakness when you're strong. Intelligence lies in understanding others. True wisdom is in knowing oneself. Strength is in mastering others, but true power comes from mastering oneself. The one who questions is a fool for a moment, while the one who never asks remains a fool for life. Embrace authenticity, for, like the snow goose staying white without bathing, you need only be yourself. When goals seem unreachable, adjust your actions, not your aspirations. Trust those with something to lose and plan for difficulty while it's still easy. Small beginnings often disguise the potential for growth. Life is a series of changes. Resisting only brings sorrow. Allow reality to flow naturally and make a determined effort for brilliant achievement. Providing sustenance for a day by giving a bowl of rice is good. Saving a life by teaching rice cultivation is greater. Strength comes from being loved, courage from loving deeply. We live two lives. The second begins when we realize we have only one. Truth may not always be beautiful, but living authentically commands respect. Attempting to travel two roads simultaneously leads nowhere. Depression dwells in the past, anxiety in the future, peace resides in the present. The noble person uses things, the lesser is used by them. Emulate the good, reflect on your own weaknesses when encountering the less virtuous. Signs of attraction are seen in sustained eye contact and self-adjustment in the presence of the desired. Love is challenging, hate is easy, achieving good is difficult, acquiring bad is simple. Such is the scheme of life. The worthwhile requires effort, while the undesirable comes effortlessly.